Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the news sentiment analysis using Python. So this will be the complete code. Let's scroll. Okay, and this is the main file. Like the previous one will be the training code and this will be the user interface code. Okay, so user interface developed using a Tkinter module, and this is the project folder. And this will be the images for the user interface. So let's run the project by terminal. Python space main.py. It will open the loading page. After the loading page, it will open the home page and it will give the about us button. Just click on the about us, so it will give the complete information about project, and click on back button. This is the methodology page, like fetching news, cleaning news, storing news, and sentiment analysis. Let's click on home page, and if you click on the analyze news, so it will analyze from the data folder. It will fetching the news fetch, cleaning process started, all done. Now it will open the different page. If you click on the top positive, then it will show the top positive news. This will be the top positive news. Let's close. This will be the top negative news. You can check point by point. We are classifying the different type of news, like top neutral. This will be the top neutral news. Plot graph. Let's plot the graph. Sentimentalist analysis graph. It will show the negative, neutral sentiment, and positive. Hot topics. So it will show the hot topics like Australia, New Zealand, World Cup, Dubai, Sunday, pandemic, Russia, time last. Okay, and top news agencies. So this will be the top news agency like Al Jazeera, English. Let's close. NDTV news. It will also show the graph. Yahoo Entertainment, negative, neutral, and positive. Bloomberg, Business Standard. Okay, positive and negative graphs. Let's close this and click on the methodology. So this will be the methodology page. This will be the about section, and this will be the home page. This type of projects we are developing related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI. If you are searching a type of project, then you can contact us. And this is the complete project. If you have any doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.